Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 181. If we start with this square, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this box, we're missing 3, 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 5, 5 here. So 2, 3, and no help here, 2, 3, 5. If we look at this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 1, 9. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this row now, we're only missing a 1. And with that 5, we can get rid of this 5. That means the only place the 5 can be in this box is here. For this bottom row now, we've got 1 and 2. We're missing a 3. And for this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here. So 7, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 2 and 3. I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. If we look at this top row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 7. 1 here. So 3, 7, 7 here, so 1, 3. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 3 covering these two boxes, so our 3 must be here. We've got a 5 there, so 7, 5. If we look at this box now, we're missing 1, 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 here, 9 here, so 1, 8. 4 here, 1, and 8 here. Means this is our 9. And that 1 and 8 means this is our 4. And we've got an 8 here, so this is our 1, 8. That 9 makes this our 1, 9. That 1 makes this our 7, 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 2, 3. And that 3 makes this our 2, 3. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. And for this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. That 2 makes this our 7 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.